Welcome to Heartbound Home, a gel printed journal. In this class, we'll explore the joy of creating colorful layered gel prints and then turn them into a beautiful folded journal in the shape of a house. But this isn't just about techniques or supplies. It's about making space for yourself. It's about honoring your story layer by layer, page by page. Whether you're brand new to gel printing or you've been creating for years, you'll find a playful, gentle process that invites you to slow down, connect, and create with heart. Let's build a home that holds your creativity, your memories, and your joy. I'm so excited to create with you, so join me in class today. This course consists of 14 lessons, which includes 2 hours of footage, a workbook, and a free digital ephemera for you to decorate your journal with. This class is perfect for beginners and those looking to advance their gel printing practice. Join me in making your own Heartbound Home journal.